Brick Yardley. In my opinion, he's just one of those background characters that just, well, never gets noticed. Well, actually, background character is a bit of a, yeah, a bit of an understatement. Because he is he's certainly not a main character, but he's also not like a background character. I don't know, Race Official Tom right here, or here I have Cam Spinner, in here. Those two characters are examples of like background characters who have no speaking lines in the films. Whereas Brick Yardley, he has he's got a few lines, but he's an interesting character in my opinion. I probably put him as like I don't know. I mean, I've got no idea about all these like you know character types like protagonist, antagonist, tritagonist. I think's one. I think, but correct me if I'm wrong, please. No, he's probably like a third character or something like that. One of the characters that's doesn't he appears and he has some lines, but isn't like a prominent figure in the film, if you know what I mean. In a way, it's kind of like what's a Natalie Certain, who's who's just on the edge of your screen, right here, where my finger is, if you can even see it. Where my thumb was, that red car. Still carrying on. Brick Yardley is the Cars 3 of Vitoline. How do I pronounce it? Stock car from Cars 3. He replaces James Cleaner, who is, in my opinion, quite a memorable character, in my opinion. Obviously, he's very green, but I like him. I like him. I'm Vitaline's, or Vitaline is obviously a good sponsor. We've got to be, got to be in the top half of favourites. Though to be honest with you, there isn't really a Piston Cup sponsor that I'm not really a fan of. That makes sense. I don't know, but if I had to pick one like South Piston Cup races from one film, I'd absolutely have to go the Cars One stock cars. I mean, mostly because of the nostalgia that it brings with it. Still, I digress. Yeah, this guy gets replaced by Chase Racelot, who's voiced by NASCAR driver Chase Elliott. Let's have a closer look. A Vitaline logo with there goes focus. What does it say? For all interactive cars, there's what's it supposed to be? I don't know. Feels got like this bit in the middle, they're lighter green on the logo. Bolts. Lightyear type like or Lightyear text on the fenders. There they are. Still there's quite a bit of detail. Well, not detail, but quite a few patterns. Very abstract, if you know what I mean. Oh, it says his name up there. Britt Yardley. There you go. On the back is, well, not very exciting to me, perfectly honest with you. It's a bit drab, if you know what I mean. Same go on the other side, I think. Yeah, it is. Still, they all the nuts and bolts and whatever. Number 24, but which is supposed to reflect Chase Elliott or Chase Racelet's number, but or at least at the time, anyways. Still, have a great day, folks.